Hi dear, so let's cook chicken drumstick today. So now starts with dressing, yellow powder, chili powder, black pepper powder and salt, lemon and cooking oil. So now dressing is ready. Let's transfer to the plate the meat, and after that let's marinate the chicken. Now let's give the good massage to the meat and marinate for 20 minutes and keep aside so that it will be marinated properly. Good marination will give good texture, right? So let's keep aside. So now marination is done. Let's fry the chicken in the oil. Let it fry properly. After that, let's turn another side and fry again. Now it's looking yummy. Now frying is done. After that, let's take out and keep aside. And in the same oil, let's fry onion and let it crisp. Then after that, let's add tomato. Let the tomato cook properly. After that, I have made another same dressing, so let's add the dressing. And tomato is now cooked properly, so I am adding chicken and let it cook together. So now here I'm going to add a little bit of water, cover it and let it cook properly. Now water is dry, so let's put the smashed ginger and garlic, stir well, and after that cover it. Wow, now flavor is already very good. Aroma is given mouth-watering. Now let's stir well and let it mix well. And after that let's add. So I'm going to finish with the topping chopped fresh coriander. So I'm going to have with the fresh lettuce and drumstick. It was very simple and very delicious. Thanks for watching and share someone who loves chicken drumstick. Thanks for watching and see you in next video. Bye.